Today we're going to be replacing the air filter in this 2017 Toyota Highlander. Now this is the V6 model, so if you have the 4-cylinder turbo model, it's going to be a little bit different. But the lettering on this STP version is the SA10957. And I'll go ahead and put a link to that down below in the description, as well as a few others. And then I'll go ahead and make sure you have the letter number combo to quickly reference if you go to AutoZone or something like that to pick it up. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and pop your hood. So you're going to come down here on the driver's side and pull that all the way. And that went ahead and released the locking mechanism for your hood. So under here, you can see a little bit of a gap under the front. So this right here can be pulled up. So you're going to push up on that little tab. And now you got to open the hood. And now you have this guy right here, which is going to be put into the holder, which is right over there on the far side. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we have the kickstand up, we're going to go ahead and access the air filter box. So you can see the box right here. You can see one tab down there. You can see one tab right there. So the two tabs are easily accessed. And then what you see here is that you have kind of a tab there where it kind of like slips in, and then a tab down here which does the exact same thing. So you're going to be prying the box up like that and slipping it out to kind of get after this. So let's go ahead and pull this tab. Get down here, pop that tab. Simple. Alright, now we lift up, pull out, and it comes up. There you go. And so then the axis is your air filter right there. So let's go ahead and pull this one out. Okay, here we go with the air filter box. We can go ahead and pull her open. Alright, and then easily just lift up on it. Pull it out. Alright. So you can see down in the depths there, you can see a little bit of debris, but not much. But I always like to vacuum that out or clean it out, whatever dust is in there, just to make sure I'm not putting any extra debris into the box that's unnecessary. So, oh yeah, look at that. You can see a lot of oily smoke deposits in there. And so that is not good. So we're going to be replacing this. Alright, there's the STP filter with the SA10957. Of course, you do a side-by-side comparison here. You get the old, and I think this is a premium filter, but this time this is what was on sale, easy to get. And of course, here you go, the difference in them. You can definitely see the black deposits on there. Let's go ahead and place this one in. Simple. Make sure it goes in the correct orientation, kind of horizontal in nature there. Just puts it right in, nice and easy, and it sets in there just perfectly. And now when you place this back in, you can see the exposed tabs there and there where it has to lock in with the nubs that come out. You see that tab going in there perfectly. Get on this side. It goes in that back over there. Perfect. And now everything is situated correctly. So let's go ahead and lock it in. Alright, let's do this one. Push it. Let's get that now. There we go. So put both those back into place, and we're good to go. Alright guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and put it down in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you.